So we already seen the previous program triangle pyramid pattern, right? So next we going to reverse this triangle pyramid pattern. So how we going to do is like simply we are going to use the same logic but only slight changes in the logic. How we can going to achieve this? First I'm going to take n equal to 5, then I'm going to use that for loop for I in range function and 1 comma n plus 1. What it will do, it will give the number of rows, means number of lines it will print. So we are giving this 5, so it will print number of lines is 5. After printing the lines, number of lines, we need some spaces right before the stars. So for this we are going to write a logic for that. So for that I'm going to use one more for loop for j in range 1 comma I plus 1, because for this end position I is the end position for this loop. So I'm going to print empty space comma end equal to space. Then we need to print the stars, right? For that I'm going to use one more loop for k in range of I. Triangle pattern we already used that I into 2, right? I into 2. Then print, we need to print the stars here, n equal to space, then going to print empty print. You can see there is no proper alignment because the logic here we missed out is n minus 1, then only it will print the proper stars. See, we got the triangle. Now how we can going to reverse it? We already seen that the reverse program, right? Number reverse program that is already there. You can check our videos. Same logic only I'm going to use in the for I loop. I'm going to take n equal to 5 as a starting position here. Okay, so I'm going to remove this logic and I'm going to declare this starting position n comma 0 comma minus 1 will reverse that. Okay, so I'm going to run the program and we got that output as reverse triangle pyramid pattern. This is how we can achieve this.